Next, we'll take a look at a cross join. And if we look at the cross join, this is the same Venn diagram that I showed for the full outer join, which shows everybody from table 1 and table 2. But the Venn diagram doesn't do a real great job of representing this one. But what's different here is that there's no join predicate or the on clause, and there's no where being specified. So you're simply saying, take every item in table 1 and match it up with every combination of items from table 2. So there is no logical joining here, but this is useful. I've used this before when I've been filling in like test data in a load test situation, where you put in one table, you put a bunch of first names, in another table you put middle names, another table you put last names, and then you do a cross join and you get every combination of all those names and quickly populate a table. So we'll take a look now at the cross join. And I just want to say, be careful with this one, because if you're doing this on big tables, you can get some really gigantic result sets, because what it's going to do is it's going to take the number of rows in table 1 multiplied by the number of rows in table 2, and that's how many results you're going to get. So you can see here we got 72 rows, because I think we had, what, 8 times 9 different combinations. So we can see here that for Steve, which had a favorite color of 1, it mapped me to all colors. And then for Aaron, who had a favorite color of 3, it mapped Aaron to all colors. So it's just a way to show a combination of everything in the 2 tables. Again, this one's super useful if you're trying to crank out a huge amount of data to fill in a table for testing purposes. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace. Hi, this is Steve Stedman, and I just want to let you know the video that you've just finished watching is part of what's offered in my T-SQL Join Types course. It's available for a low price of $29.99, and with this we're going to cover everything from basic select, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, semi-join, anti-semi-join, left outer join with exclusion, right outer join with exclusion, full outer join, cross apply, outer apply, and many more. To use this class, all you really need is access to a Microsoft SQL Server. You can download SQL Server Express, that's plenty for using the class, and SQL Server Management Studio. Here's the curriculum. We've got quite a bit of detail that goes through all the different types of joins, including demo and lecture, sample codes, and then some assignments you can take and run with to figure out how to do it for yourself. This is one of the more popular classes that we offer from Stedman Solutions, so I would encourage you to check it out. To find out more about this class, you can go to stedman.us/joins. Look forward to seeing you in this class. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.